Hello again. Last time I made these videos I was living in the US. Now I'm in Finland in Europe, and it took me a while to continue with this robot as I had to disassemble it and put it in parts and ship it across the Atlantic. But now I finally put it back together with some additions and new updates. It drives again as I did before with this remote control, kind of remote control. The arms are in place, the microphones, there's ears, the arms, just as they were before. Additions, I added here a third camera. Yeah, they're all wide-angle cameras. I will tell more about these choices which I did for making this free camera, stereo camera in another video. I also made the head. There's a separate box, aluminum box here. Aluminum because it's easier to cool electronics against it. There's the servo, one of those. Power cables, Ethernet cables. 2 Raspberry Pis, this one. You can't see it here, it's just the Cirrus audio card on top, Raspberry Pi in the bottom, and in the middle there's a UPS power supply. There is another Raspberry Pi here and another UPS power supply which I ordered from Greece. Very nice device. I will talk more about that in another video. In addition, since I was in US, I was using traditional AGM batteries, and I knew I was coming to Europe and I couldn't have them shipped here anyway. So when I arrived to Finland, I ordered from Netherlands LiFePO, lithium ferrite polymer, something like that, battery, which is supposed to be much more safer, has much more charging times than a standard LiPo, and moreover it's much safer. I bought one. This is meant for an electric powered bicycle, but it's perfectly 24 volts output. Has charging, charger, everything included. Button to see change of state of charge. You can lock it there, and you can just attach it in a way that you can slide like this, the whole battery out from here, and once you unlocked it, and charge it separately in a safer location just in case, and then just click it back in place. And it works perfectly. Here I have the cables for the battery are going in. Here comes a controller cable now out. From US I bought a lot of this nice split gland. I need to check what the actual name is. They're a very handy way of taking waterproof connections of existing cables inside the robot. I have also added inside, so far it's under construction still, but I have added inside already a few Raspberry Pis, one for each arm, and one separate one for running the kind of like a centralized router for the robot, which will take care of the external connections and the internal connections. But I will tell more about that in a separate video. So far, here's the robot, and see you in the next video.